you bunch of cloudheads, Vaping Big here with another review. I do not sell or promote any of these products, so don't ask me where to get them or how much they cost. This is just a simple review. Just tell everybody my opinion and how to use them. So we're gonna look at the new pod kit by Aspire called the Loomix. They gave me this black one there on Vape Expo in the UK. Been testing it ever since. I just switched to a 3 ml pod with 0.4 ohm, which I also purchased myself. And yeah, I like that. Even though I'm in a TPD region, I prefer 3 ml pods. The version they gave me had the TPD pod in there, was 0.8 that comes in the box. So I bought a purple one, purple and gold one, because I think that would look better in the review. Of course, there's also a white one and a midnight black one. I'll probably have pictures up there. There's some specific stats chart that I also can show you. Here you go. Well, we'll go over the stats well, one by one there. So yeah, let's dig into this box and yeah, see what you get. This one I bought myself because I thought that would look way better on camera. The purple gold one, I think looks really gorgeous. So yeah, I'm fighting with this box there a little bit. There you go. Of course, you should be able to open it somewhere. There you go. Let's start at the bottom there. Move that stuff out of the way. There you go. So you'll get a user manual, which we don't be needing. And you get cards there. And actually, but basically what this card is telling you, it's telling me in French here, but this is resistance and their recommendations for the airflow settings for it. So if you're using the 0.4 ohm, this is the recommended airflow. 0.8, you close it a little bit more off, and so on and so on. If you, it's just a recommendation. If you want to use it any way different, of course, you can do that. You do you. But these are the recommendations for that typical airflow. So now you already know what kind of pods are available. There's a 0.4, 0.6, the 0.8, 1 ohm and a 1.2 ohm. This is true MTL. On the 0.8 and 0.6 you could do a restrictive direct lung, and the 0.4 caters more to a restrictive direct lung. So yeah, on that notion, let's dive into the product. Of course, you get a nice little sticker there. One time to check about this button there, press the power button. One time to check the battery, 3 times to switch output modes Eco and Max, and 5 times to turn it on or off. We can peel that off. Now we read that. There we go. Yeah, at first glance, this purple and gold looks gorgeous. Really does. Got your airflow controller here on the side. As you can see, if you close it down, you will have a tight MTL hole there for tight MTL, and then you can move that open up these 2 holes, or maybe 3 holes, these 2 holes, and fully open. This is how I prefer to use it. So yeah, of course, you got your Type C charging there for the 1500 mAh battery next to the function button there, and this does support 2 amp charging, so that 1500 mAh charges up lightning fast. So what you get in the box is just 1 bolt there. The 0.6 is included, the recommended wattage. So yeah, Eco and Max mode will switch automatically to the recommended wattage for you, so you don't have to think about that. Of course, you peel that sticker off there. Yeah, you can see the cotton in there. Yeah, I was using one of these pods for very long. It took It put like a little difficult bakery liquid in there. It took me like one pot vaping until the flavor really started popping. When I used Nic salt, the flavor was there immediately. So depending on the liquid, it takes some baking time, but eventually that flavor starts popping anyway. So yeah, I had no issues with the coil's flavor is good. The coil life is also good. And here you have your fill port and a little air hole for air to escape as you are filling it. So really simple, dimple pot. And this is my favorite way of filling any pot device. Just what we like to call crack to fill. Top fill, no leaking issues with these pots whatsoever. Here I have another 0.4 ohm pot as well, which I prefer to use. There you go, come in packages by 2, as you can see. And here you have the 0.4 ohm pot, 20 watts to 27 watts for more direct, restricted direct long approach. Really simple dimple. You crack it open. You can fill it with, let's use some just juice from the dessert range, some banana caramel waffle. This is a 10 mg Nic salt, which, yeah, I like to use in pots. I like to use Nic salts, but you can use freebase as well. There we go. We fill that pot up. And of course, after filling it for the first time, you want to wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to saturate. You can speed up the saturation by closing off the air holes. Suck a little bit on it. You'll suck through the coil a little bit liquid into that cotton. But yeah, always good to wait 5 minutes. Let's look at the device again. Yeah, I think it's constructed out of a zinc alloy. Maybe this is aluminium on the outside, but it's quite heavy, but I do like the elegant look there. This already have liquid on there. On this midnight black one, it does feel like some sort of leather. This feels more like some sort of suede. I'm not sure what kind of material they use, but it's very soft and smooth. I really dig that. Yeah, now let's turn the device on. You don't see any screen there, but look what happens if I 5 times click the device. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, now you got your display of percentage, which indicates how much battery there is left. It will turn off after a second. It will hide itself. This will indicate what mode you are in. If you see the lightning bolt, you're in max mode. To disable or enable the max, to switch between the 2 modes, you 1, 2, 3 clicks and the lightning bolt disappears there. Simple dimple there. And 1, 2, 3 clicks will bring it back. Quite simple there. Yeah, there is actually not much more to it. It really has an elegant feel there. I think I like the simplicity, you know, there's only percentage and the mode you're in is actually all you need to know. You know, you don't need no fancy animations. They went for pure elegance here. I think this also caters to people who are still smoking or maybe are in a disposable and they want to switch to an open system. This is a good choice. Not too many options. Not even a puff counter or anything there. But just keeping it as minimalistic and simple as you can. And pure elegance there, I think, is really nice. If you charge the device, you put the charger and there it will start blinking there, the lightning bolt. This will indicate your device is charging. Simple as that. There we go. I can show you all the types of pots there. I'll grab a screenshot, put it on screen. Did I say I like this purple and gold combo? It looks so pure gorgeous. And then the other side is black. You got your Aspire logo there. On the bottom you got a vent hole for the battery. I think it's just elegance, simplicity, minimalistic, and good way to go there. And I think Aspire, yeah, nailed it here. So yeah, let's dive on top and try out yeah, that banana waffle area top with the Aspire Loomix elegance in the palm of your hand. I actually forgot to mention you also get a USB to USB-C cable with the device. Nice thick, pretty long cable there. I've seen them shorter with the pod kits, so that's a decent cable that you get there with it. And yeah, how's the flavor? Oh, got a brand new pod, just liquid it up, and I'm getting great flavor right off the bat there. Let's see, I'm in max mode here. Do really like that, the flavor that I'm getting. I have here the TPD variant of the 0.6 pod. You can just switch there and put it up there. Close the airflow a bit down. On the 0.6. And I can do an MTL there. Or close it wide open there. And get a tighter restricted direct lung there. So the 0.6 pod is the all-rounder here. I prefer the 0.4 pod. And yeah, of course, the lower the resistance, the faster your battery will drain, of course. Of course, that's a natural, because the lower the resistance, the more power it puts through that coil to get you that nice flavor there. Also will run through liquid faster as you vape on it. And yeah, with 1500 mAh battery, even with the 0.4 ohm pod, it would suffice me the whole day. So yeah, I guess these pods will last you at least 2 weeks if this is your only device, because I've been using it since Vape Expo. Cons, yeah, you're missing the puff counter. It's really hard for me to say how many puffs you can get out of it. But I do like the simplicity it offers. Just my battery percentage, what mode I'm in, what more to know if you just want to vape. I think they really nailed it here in terms of simplicity, elegance there. I think this will cater to people who still need to switch from smoking or using a disposable now. They want to switch to a pod kit that's hassle-free to refill, because you got that top filling snap to fill. Never messy, really nice. It's leak-proof. I had no leaks with it. The base also stays dry in the inside, and yeah, a very nice product. So yeah, Loomix by Aspire, really nice product. So yeah, that's it for this review. And respect and love each other, and vape life matters.